everyone, it's April here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're a brand new friend, welcome. I love all things farmhouse. I am obsessed with farmhouse decor. Today we're going to be making rustic farmhouse Christmas decor. I'm going to show you how I made these beautiful wood slice ornaments. I've seen them all over Pinterest, and I used some wood slices that Arteza recently sent me. I love the way they turned out. I'm also going to show you how I made these beautiful Christmas stars. They were a little difficult at first, but once you get it down, they are addicting to make, and I absolutely love them. I'm also going to show you how I made a beautiful wood slice wreath. I thought this would be perfect for winter and also for spring. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by just showing you what they sent me and what I'm going to use to make everything. These are chalk markers. I've never used chalk markers before. The colors are like earth tones. They're really pretty. They're totally odor-free. And what's really cool is they come with replaceable tips, which is really nice. I've never seen that before. And you guys, I feel really dumb. I did not realize until after I was all done with everything that they actually come with a pack of 50 label stickers, and they're really nice, and I would have used them. I will use them in the future. And they also come with 2 stencils. They were like tucked down inside the package. I had no idea they were in there. I guess, you know, I should have actually read everything on the back. So I will use those in the future. These are paints that I'm going to be using. They're outdoor acrylic paints, and the colors are just beautiful. I love all of the colors. I love these paints. They go on really smooth. So I'm just like choosing all the colors I think that I'm going to use. I didn't end up using, yes I did. I think I did use the yellow on one of them. This is a pack of 45 wood slices. Oh my gosh, I was so excited to get these, and I still have some left over after doing tons of ornaments and making a wreath. I still have a few left over that I can use for spring decor, so I will be using these again. I've seen these all over Pinterest, so I was really excited to get these. And 45 is a lot. Like, I didn't realize how far 45 would go until I made all my ornaments and then made my wreath, and I still had some left over. That's a lot of wood slices. This is graphite paper. I think it's called graphite transfer paper. It's so funny that I got this because Sarah from Pajama Crafts was just talking about this stuff. And then I had received this graphite paper, and I had asked her if this is what she was talking about, because she just discovered transfer paper. And I was like, oh, I wonder if that's what she's talking about. And this stuff is so neat because you can cut it down to any size that you want to use, and I will show you how to use it, but I will totally be using this all the time. And then right there is some vinyl sheets, beautiful colored vinyl sheets that I will be using. I didn't really show those because I don't have a Cricut, but I know my mom is bringing me one for Christmas, so I will totally be using those in another video. These are just, I printed these out off of a website called canva.com for free. You can sign up for it, or there's tons of stuff you can do on Canva for free. And so I use it all the time, and I just printed off some little designs, and I will be using those to make my ornaments. So to start with, I'm just going to cut out the ones that I think I will use. And the first thing I am going to do to start with is go ahead and paint all of my wood slices. And I don't have really nice paintbrushes, so I, didn't have a good paintbrush to use, but I did the best I could with what I had. This paint is so smooth, and I love the way it looks when it dries. It has that shiny, it's acrylic paint, and even though it's outdoor paint, you can totally use it for stuff like this. It doesn't matter if it's outdoor. That just makes it really nice, because if you wanted to make a sign or something like that, then it would work perfect, because it would be for indoor, outdoor. Right here you can see that I'm doing this wrong. I started off wrong, and then I realized, oops, you have to put the paper underneath. So you just lay down a little piece on your surface, And this works on other surfaces besides just wood. Let me see here. It also works on metal, glass, and fabric, canvas, paper, which is really cool. And then you just lay your piece of paper on top, and then you take something. I'm just using a pencil without the lead, like a mechanical pencil without the lead. I'm sure if you use something else it would transfer even better, but it worked perfectly. And then I just went over it with a little skinny paintbrush. And then these are those chalk markers that I wanted to try out, and like I said, had I known that I had the little marker labels, I would have used them for something else, but I just made the little polka dots with them. And then I just made a little snowflake, and then I made my little Christmas tree. I just love these ornaments so much, and you could use these would be really cute as gift tags that would double as ornaments. I think that would be a really good idea, just to tie them on the presents, and you could personalize them. My son's name is Andrew, so that's why I did Andrew. And here I just thought that was a really cute saying, Christmas calories don't count. Yeah, we all know that, right? Here is some paper from Joann Fabrics, and I just cut out a little piece. It has words on it, and I just Mod Podged it on. And I'm just doing a lot of the ideas that I've seen on Pinterest that I loved, and so that's where I'm getting these ideas from. There's just so many, if you look on there, that are so pretty. Here is just joy and another snowflake. And I just think these look so cute with the little polka dots on. I love those markers. This is really cute with the little string on it, and then I just put the jute on. Here is a little snowman that I made. I think these are so cute, and they're so easy to make. You just hot glue 2 pieces of your wood slices together, and then take 2 little strips of fabric or ribbon, whatever you want to use, for the little scarf, and then you just make your little buttons and the eyes and the nose. And I just think this is so adorable. You could, you know, hot glue these on a little stand. You could use another wood slice for the base, but I just think they make really cute ornaments. And then you could put someone's name on the back if you wanted to use it as a gift tag. And then it could also, like I said before, you know, also double as an ornament. Then it's almost like getting 2 presents. So cute. I just think that is so adorable. Here I kind of made my little snowman's mouth go up too high, but here I did just the face. So if you guys have watched my channel for a while, then you know that I'm obsessed with buffalo check. I love these little ornaments with the buffalo check on them. I think they're so cute. I want to do one black and white. I did do one black and white, but I used paper. Either way, paper or the paint looks really good. I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. I did have to touch it up just a little bit, and I do have a couple of previous videos where I actually explain how to do the buffalo check. It's a lot easier to watch if I'm doing it slower. If you've never done it before, it can be a little tricky your first couple of times. The Daily DIYer has a really good video just dedicated to how to do the buffalo check, so I would check her out. Look up that video if you want a really good tutorial. See, when I took the tape off, there was a little bit, it was a little messy, but I did fix that. I touched it up. So adorable. I know I'm going to say that a million times through this video. So cute, so adorable, but they really are. I just love these ornaments so much. And here is a free printable. If I can remember, I will include the link in my description to the free printable for the buffalo check, and I just Mod Podged it on. And that is all I did for those, and I just gathered all of my ornaments and cleared them off the table to get ready to work on my wreath. So this is how much I have left after making all of those. Like that's why I was saying that you really do get a lot. These are flowers that I pulled off of a wreath that I got on clearance at Big Lots. I think I paid like $1 for it, and I just wanted to buy it because I thought it was a really good deal just for $1 to get the wreath form. This wreath form that I'm using right here, I'm pretty sure is from Dollar Tree. So I just started hot gluing my wood slices on. I've always loved these wood slice wreaths. Again, I looked these up on Pinterest, and I've also seen a couple of my YouTube friends make them. Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine and Nicole from The Week's Nest have both made wreaths like these or like this, and so I just continued to hot glue them all the way around. And it was so funny because there was one single wood slice that was like oblong shaped a little bit, and it was perfect because it was exactly what I needed for that very last piece. So it fit in there perfectly, and I just think it's really pretty. And I don't mind the little holes. I mean, if you were super picky, you could totally fill those in with some wood filler or whatever you use to fill in wood. But I don't mind the holes at all. And here I wanted to lay everything out to see how I wanted to hot glue it down rather than, you know, hot glue it down and then risk having to tear it apart as I was working with it. And I just think this wreath turned out so pretty. At first I was going to do maybe something just totally Christmassy, but I've already done a couple of Christmas wreaths and Christmas will be over soon. I can't even believe it. I am still Christmas shopping. Today is December 15th and I am still Christmas shopping. I'm so stressed out about it. Are you guys done? I'm sure most people are probably totally done and have been for a long time, but normally I am rushing around till the very last day. I mean, sometimes literally December 23rd, I will still be rushing around trying to get everything done. But I wanted something that I could use for the spring. I didn't want to have to put this away since I'm making it so late into the month. So because it has the wood chips though, I think it would be really pretty for winter, and also I could leave it up and it would be like a rustic spring looking wreath. So this is all I did. I just hot glued these on and I think it's really pretty. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm not always super happy with the things that I make, as you guys know, but I really think this is beautiful. And then I did end up putting some Dollar Tree ribbon on it. I just thought it would be really pretty for the top. Either way, with or without it, I really love this. These are some Christmas stars. Now, I just watched a recent video from the White Cottage Company. She made a Christmas star. I loved her video. I will link it down in my description box. You guys really need to go check it out. She did some awesome DIYs, but I fell in love with these stars. I've never seen anybody make these, and so I can't tell you. So right here, as I'm making these, I'm watching her video off to the side, and I had to do this so many times. I cannot explain how to do it. It's just something that you have to do. So I'm trying to do it so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So I hope that you're able to make these if you like them. I hope that I'm showing it good enough so that you can do it. But I'm telling you, I had to do it so many times before I could figure out exactly where she was cutting. And it's so funny, if you watch me when I'm doing this, I thought I messed this up because I don't know, I guess I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed sometimes. I thought that the part on the left was what was supposed to be the star. So I unfolded it and I'm like, oh, I guess I totally cut it in half. So I went to throw it away and then I realized the part on the right was actually the star. So I was like, oh my gosh, I did it, yay. So once you make your star and you get it all unfolded, you do have to fix your creases and, you know, make them nice and crisp. And these stars are so neat. I think they would be really, really pretty just sitting up on a mantle or just next to your decor anywhere in your home. I'll show you where I hung one. I have two hanging on my Christmas tree. I gave one to my mom for her birthday. Her birthday was yesterday. And then I will show you where I hung my other one. But I don't normally make something that I don't think I've ever made something that I've seen someone else do in a video, like literally just watch them do something and then do the same thing. But these are so, so neat, and I really love them. So I thought that I would just go ahead and share with you guys. I'm sure you've probably already all seen her video. I love her channel. She has the most beautiful home, just all farmhouse decor. I just love her house so much. She's just so talented. But those are my stars, and then here is one that I just cut a little hole in on top and put some jute string through to make an ornament, and I'll show you where I hung it. It's just in my entryway of my house. When you first walk in, I have a little shelf and I hung it on there, and I think it looks so cute. So here it is. You can tell that I didn't make it, you know, really good, and then it's kind of crumpled on the end. I know that I can already tell that these stars are something that, you know, the more you do, the better you will get at. But anyway, that is it. That's everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out my description box if you're interested in Arteza products. I'm not just saying that, you guys, because they sent stuff to me. Like I said, I'm being 100% honest. I loved everything that they sent to me. I would totally buy all of this stuff. You can enjoy a 10% off coupon, which will be linked in my description box with all of the products listed and their website. They also have a YouTube channel for more inspiration, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you guys have a Merry Christmas if I don't talk to you again, although I will have a couple more videos out before Christmas. Normally I have been uploading every Saturday, but my videos will be 2 or 3 days behind, possibly just because of the holiday and everything that's going on. I had my aunt in town from Oregon, and so, you know, it's just that time of year, and family is the most important thing. So with all of that, I hope you guys have a great week ahead. I love you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.